Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 from 2023, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see, we will be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So you can see that I've been using it for 48 minutes. I had 6 unlocks and over 300 notifications. If you want to check some further details, you can do it by using 2 different ways. So you can tap inside the graph, and as you can see, you will be able to check the dashboard for particular days. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, or you can tap directly on the app, so for example the settings. And as you can see, again we've got the dashboard, but this time it is connected tightly with this app. Again, we can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. And just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, and because if you feel that you are spending too much time on your device on the screen time, then I highly recommend to simply check the focus mode or the bedtime mode. You will be able to set particular timers and particular schedule, so your device will be able to, for example, hide some notifications or mute them, and you will be able to rest or focus on different things, so you just won't be disturbed. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your INFINIX Note 12 from 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.